Hey Netpreneurs! In the previous video titled Ditch Your To-Do List, a smarter way to plan your day as an online entrepreneur, we looked at a smarter, simpler, and more effective way to plan your day as an online entrepreneur without depending on those rigid, stress-inducing to-do lists. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your weekly time blocks in 8 simple steps. No fluff, just a system that works. Understand why time blocking works. Time blocking isn't just about being busy, it's about being intentional. As a netpreneur, your energy is your biggest asset. Time blocking helps you protect it, reduce decision fatigue, and build rhythm into your week. No more reacting to life, you'll be designing it. Do a weekly brain dump. Start by emptying your head. Every Sunday, or whatever day works for you, jot down everything you need to do for the week: projects, content to create, client calls, admin tasks, personal stuff. Yes, that too. It doesn't have to be neat. Just get it all out. Categorize your tasks. Now that you've brain dumped everything, it's time to sort. Group your tasks under 5 to 6 categories. Here's how I group mine: content creation, videos, blogs, social posts, client work, calls, deliverables, marketing and outreach, admin, emails, finances, learning and growth, and personal and self-care. This step makes your week feel less chaotic and more organized. Assign your weekly theme days. This right here, game changer. Assign a theme to each weekday so your brain knows what to focus on. Here's a sample layout. Monday, admin and planning. Tuesday, content creation. Wednesday, client work. Thursday, marketing and networking. Friday, review, learning, and personal projects. It gives your week a natural flow. No more task-switching burnout. Create your daily time blocks. Now, pull up your digital calendar and schedule blocks of time for each category. Use 60 to 90-minute focused blocks. This is where the real work happens. Example, 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., content creation. 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. break. 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. client work. 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. admin tasks. You don't need to fill every hour, just the important ones. Add buffer time and flex blocks. Life is unpredictable, so give yourself breathing space. Between every 2 to 3 time blocks, schedule 30-minute buffers. Also add 1 or 2 flex blocks during the week. These are your safety nets for catch-up or emergencies. That way, one surprise doesn't ruin your whole plan. Choose your tools. You can use physical planners, but I recommend tools that sync across devices. Here are my favorites. Google Calendar for visual layout and alerts, Notion for dashboard view and templates, ClickUp or Trello for task management. Choose what feels simple and sustainable. Consistency matters more than the tool. Review and reset weekly. The final step is where the magic compounds. Every week, spend 20 minutes reviewing what worked, what didn't, where did you overbook, what can you streamline next time. Time blocking is a flexible system. As your business evolves, your blocks will too. It's not about perfection, it's about rhythm. So that's it, your 8-step system to finally get control of your week as a netpreneur. If this video helped, smash that like button. Drop a comment below. I'm ready to time block. And don't forget to subscribe, because next week I'll walk you through how to turn your time blocks into automated routines with digital tools and templates. Let's design your week on purpose.